This video is a quick tutorial on how to compress a PDF without losing file quality. So let's get started. First, just go to any browser and then search ILovePDF compressor. So this is a site which we'll use. Just search for this and click on the first link. So now as you can see, we've reached the page where we can compress the PDF files. Now what we have to do is just click on select PDF files. So now it's opened my file explorer and I just have to select the PDF which I want to compress. So I have this PDF whose size is 20 MB. So I'll just click on it and click on open. And on the right, we have three options to compress. If you want high quality, good quality, or less quality. And the amount of compression will vary for each. So usually I would just do good quality and good compression, and this is what they recommend. But if you need to compress it a lot, you can also go for the first option, that's extreme compression. So once you select the option, just click on compress PDF at the bottom right. So now it'll get uploaded. So it's been uploaded and now it's just compressing the PDF. So this will take a few minutes. And now as you can see, the PDF has been compressed and the file size has changed from 20 to 6 MB, which is 68% less. And to download it, just click on download compressed PDF. And now as you can see, it's getting downloaded. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.